How to install the A9 compressor CordZero vacuum cleaner. Unboxing. Make sure to check that all items are included. Supplied accessories differ per model. Remove the foils. Wall-mounted installation. Mount the charging station with the supplied screws. Drill holes as indicated in the user manual. Note that because of the telescopic length, you install the charging station high enough, minimal 1 meter above the floor. Consult your owner's manual for more information. Use the floor stand. Install the pole correctly, so the charging cord is guided at the back. Make sure you hear a click sound. Guide the charging cord at the back side and use the clips to fix it. Insert the holder for the mop pads. Optional, mount the floor stand to the wall. Use the supplied wall mount bracket and attach 2 tapes, one on each side. Drill a hole as indicated in the owner's manual and use the long screw to fix it. Consult your owner's manual for more information. Install batteries and stick. Plug in the power adapter, insert a battery, and check if the charging indicator is working. Attach the second battery to the main unit. Main unit has a separate charging indicator. This way you can check the charging status of both batteries. Install nozzles and tools. One cleaning nozzle can be installed on the low end. The smaller tools can best be inserted here. Check out some possible and impossible combinations. Product usage and maintenance. Note that the extension pipe has an adjustable length. Push the button and slide the pipe to the desired length. The controls allow you to change the suction power. The A9K has an option to compress the dust in the bin. Note that the exhaust, pre and mesh filters are all washable. All cleaning nozzles have different purposes. Note that when the flexible hose is used, no power is supplied to the nozzles. Read the owner's manual for more information on usage and maintenance.